Good Tuesday morning. It's a safe bet to say it's going to rain today. If it's already raining in your area, then it's already a little bit slick on the roadways. Deborah's got that covered here in a little bit. 645, 75 degrees, clouds and showers, winds out of the east-northeast at 3 miles per hour. Let's get through the details of this. First of all, this tropical storm, it has moved inland as of late last night. It was in and continues to move to the north. It is going to move to the west of us as it drops off to a little area of low pressure, but that puts the heaviest of the rain just over the Austin area, which means Central Texas could have more than just flash flood watches to deal with later today. We already have flash flood warnings not only for the counties along the Texas coast, but now one county inland. If you're familiar with Victoria County, which is along I-59, halfway between Corpus and Houston, then you know that area. They have a flood warning in that county already, and those heavy rains continue our direction. So keep an eye on the rains, keep an eye on everything. Also let the kids know, hey kids, if you're watching, do not play in the water. Ditches, anything like that, don't play in those. Straight home, and obviously if you can get a ride, that's the best bet for today. There could be a little bit of lightning and thunder in this as well as we go through the day, so watch for that. All right, temperature outside right now, we have 75 degrees, clouds and showers, winds out of the east-southeast at 7 miles per hour. Looking out and about across the area, there's Viper. You can see the showers, the heavy rain that is now moving up to the Austin area. But take a look at what we've already seen. This is on our storm profiler. The green indicates areas up to 5 inches of rainfall south of Port Lavaca. See all the red dots, though? Lots of different wind and power outages, wind gusts that were better than 50 miles per hour. We've also had reports of like 2 shrimp boats that crashed into the rocks along the jetties at South Padre Island. They've had other little issues here and there. One of the more notable, this is the one that I want to emphasize. We always say, and it sounds funny, but take the lawn furniture, anchor it down. There was a 5-year-old girl that was injured by flying glass as one of these small trampolines blew into a window, blew the glass into the house. Obviously, that little girl was cut up by that. Terrible situation, but that is what we talk about when we say anchoring these things down. Wind gusts pick those things up, and, well, you know the drill. You know how it is. All right, it is certainly going to be a rainy day today. Temperatures around the area yesterday, 92 degrees. We are right now at 73. We're likely only to go to the mid-80s for this afternoon. Heavy rainfall rolling inland. What we have is a storm system that is going to move to the west of us, and we are on the very wet side of it. The front right quad of these storm systems has all of the rain spiraling in around them. We here in Central Texas are to the east of the path of this, so as it rolls in, we're going to get quite a bit of rainfall. We have a flash flood flash flood watch until tomorrow morning. We have a high wind advisory for counties just south of Austin till midnight tonight, from 10 a.m. through midnight tonight. You are going to notice the winds shifting and picking up a little bit. Now, our forecast model continues the heavy rain to roll into the area. We're going to keep that possibility, obviously, for the next couple of days. It will be out of here by the weekend, but it's also going to be rather humid for the weekend. You can imagine that. 90s and humidity. 84 for the high today, clouds, showers, and thunderstorms. Same for tonight. 75 the overnight low. It's going to be rain through the week today. Slick streets today. Rain tomorrow. Temperatures in the 80s going to 90s by Thursday with a 20% chance for rain, and then hot and humid beyond that. Highs in the 90s, drying up by the weekend.